We trying to get paid.
Making money, make it dollar, dollar.
We trying to get paid.
Making money,
Yeah,
make
you
it.
save and invest, stacking up checks. Let's go.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Sal, and I'm back at you again with another video, man. Look, you HCMC investors, you ought to be embarrassed. I mean, really, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Today was an incredibly embarrassing day for individuals who believed that they were going to be able to manipulate the American people. In fact, it did not happen. It was an epic disaster. What was to benefit people only ended up hurting them severely. And of course, the only people that won were the individuals who got in before today. Those were the only people who won today. Over $55 million traded in the stock, and well over 70% of those trades were losing trades today in HCMC. This is going to be a stock that will lose a lot of people a lot of money. But again, we have to continue to follow the story, and that's why I want you to click subscribe on my channel, because what I want you to do is I want you to follow the story just like we followed Humble, just like we followed Giggles and Hugs, just like we followed PTOTF. Many of these OTC stocks that will end up leaving these gullible, foolish investors with nothing, with absolutely nothing, but bags upon bags upon bags of losses. Folks, let me go ahead and get back to the way it started. This is kind of how it started here. Will you join the HCMC Army and buy $100 or more of HCMC this Monday, May 3rd, or support HCMC by adding more shares? If you have $100, then support your investment. I'm buying $5,000 at various prices entirely above the ask. If it's 0.003, I'm buying 0.0036. Doing my part. Hashtag WSB. Folks, this has been a complete disaster. That guy lost a ton of money if he went ahead and actually did that today, which I'm not surprised by the way the market opened up today. I think there were many individuals who did exactly what he mentioned there. He's lost a significant amount of capital based on what he just said there. And again, these people who participated in this attempt at manipulating the American people, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. And things got so bad, other HCMC investors started calling the other individuals out. Here's another commenter. Lots of people knew what May 3rd was going to do, and they should be ashamed of themselves for fooling others who bought in at a higher price just for them to dump on them. Shame on you fuckers, whoever sold. Folks, the individuals who got into this stock last week, the week before, those were some of the individuals that sold today. Individuals who had bought way back here at 0019 or 002. I mean, those were some of the individuals who made money today. Not anybody who came in on the stock today. They actually lost money. They're sitting on losses. And let's go back to that thing that started it all off, him and other members. This is just more proof. This is just more proof that what we're seeing in HCMC is not legitimate, real interest in what's good for the company. I woke up to 9 emails today calling me a nigger. That is, you're angry because I'm telling the truth. You need to take that energy and put it into defining for people what the real investment objective is. Risking real capital, hardworking, capital that you worked for on a lawsuit that won't be successful, let's be honest, won't be successful, on a company that, again, give me a ratio that shows where HCMC will be successful long term, besides the fact that you're just hyping up the stock. Give me an efficiency ratio. Give me a debt ratio. Give me something. Gross margin off. operating margin ratio. No. Return on assets, there's nothing. I can't find a single positive investment ratio to justify an investment in HCMC, let alone the valuation. We've got to be real about this. Again, I'm not here, you know, to rain on anybody's parade. I'm just going to continue to report the truth, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to watch this because, again, we're going to look back on like many of my videos. You're going to look back 2 years, 3 years from now. Hey, Sal, you were right. You were absolutely right. But again, some people have to learn the hard way. Tomorrow is another trading day. Trade well.
Black Box Stocks is an automated trading system that delivers real-time market alerts using a proprietary algorithm. Our system is composed of high-speed servers monitoring over 13,000 NASDAQ, NYSE, AMEX, and OTC stocks at the same time, analyzing each tick multiple times per second. This award-winning system levels the playing field by offering you technology that has too often been reserved for large financial firms, hedge funds, and the Wall Street elite. And when it comes to the results, let's just say that they are really, really good. Don't wait any longer. Visit blackboxtrader.org to start generating big gains right now.